Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Himbofication means? Let's explore. Himbofication refers to the cultural trend of idolizing or celebrating men who fit the himbo archetype: attractive, kind-hearted, but not particularly bright. This phenomenon highlights how society increasingly embraces and idealizes this type of male figure, often in a playful or affectionate way. Himbofication involves the shift from valuing intellectual prowess or complexity in male characters to appreciating their simplicity, charm, and good looks. The trend reflects a broader cultural movement where traditional gender roles are playfully subverted, and where being a himbo is seen as a positive, desirable quality. In essence, Himbofication is about the growing appreciation for men who embody the himbo traits, celebrating their straightforward, good-natured appeal in both media and real life. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.